I have the OnePlus Watch 2, and you have workout goals set up on your watch. Okay, so we have goals for steps, goals for calories burned, and other types of goals. Now, if you want to adjust these goals, then all you have to do is go to the OHealth app on your phone. Okay, now on this app, when you launch it, this is the home page. Just tap on devices to take you to this page. And on this page, you can come here and select workout and health. And here you can see all your goals. So you have step goal. For instance, my step goal is 5,000 steps. I can bump that up to 10,000, or I can reduce it to 2,000 steps, depending on what I want. So let me set mine to 10,000 and tap on save. And I can even adjust my calorie goal, workout time goal, activity session goals. That's basically where you adjust your goals or your workout goals for the OnePlus Watch 2. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.